Okay, now I want to show you how to do EX4. That's the histogram. First of all, we need to enable the analysis tool packs. You know, when you install the Excel, this analysis tool pack it's not enabled by default. Okay, so you need to enable it. See this instruction, the tools manual and something, tools manual add-ins, it's for the old version. If we are using the 2010 version, there's no tools manual. Okay, so you just go to the file menu, file, and then select the options. In the options, you select this add-ins. Okay, and then you can see this analysis tool pack. Select this, and then click go here. Okay, and when you just go here, this is not checked, so just check this, and then click OK. So now the analysis toolpacks have been enabled, so you can use it. So just go to the data, and then you can see this data analysis. If you don't enable that, you cannot see this. Okay, so click this data analysis. Now what we want to do, descriptive statistics. Right, so let's see here, descriptive statistics, click OK. Now we need to indicate the input data range. Okay, so go to here, go to the data sheet. Okay, data sheet, and then click here, and then go down until here. Okay, and then release. Now you have selected the input data out of the input data. See here, we want to indicate where to put the output. Now it's a new worksheet play. It's okay. We want that, and then we want the summary statistics. Okay, and then click OK. See, now you get this. This is the summary statistics. So what we need to use is this mean. Okay, mean, and the standard deviation. Okay, if you see here, standard deviation, so mean and the standard deviation. We want to use those two numbers to build the bins. So here we put bins, and basically we use 7 numbers. The first number equals mean minus 3 times of standard deviation. Okay, that's first number. Second number equals mean minus 2 times standard deviation. Okay, third number equals mean minus standard deviation. Okay, the fourth number just equals the mean. Okay, and then next one will equals mean plus standard deviation, and the next one equals mean plus 2 times standard deviation, and then the last one equals mean plus 3 times standard deviation. Okay, and then we can also give more here. Okay, we have built the bin, and then we want to calculate for the frequency. Frequency, frequency. how to calculate for frequency, we need to use the function. Okay, so click here. When you highlight this cell, click here, function. Okay. Actually, we should highlight all of those. Highlight all of those. Okay, and then click function. We need the frequency, so we just type in frequency and go. So we found the frequency, and then just click OK. Now we need to put the data in. First of all, we need the data array. Data array means the data I gave you. So with the cursor is here, go to this data sheet, and then go to the first number, and then drag to the last number. Okay, to the last number. So we got the data array input, and then bins array. So now for bins array, we do the same thing. Click here and drag to here. Okay. Now click OK. Excel calculated for the first number. Okay. Now with all of the cells still highlighted, still selected, and then click here, frequency, click here, and then that's the key step. Now you need to use 3 keys together: Control, Shift, and Enter. Okay. You just press the Control and the Shift and then hit the Enter. So you get all of the frequency numbers here. Okay. So you have successfully calculated the bins and frequency numbers. Okay. Now draw the chart. Okay. So just select those 2 columns. Okay. And then insert. If we just click this column and select the column, you can see that you get this. And then say we want to make it looks better, so we redo it. First of all, we don't need so many digits, so highlight this, right click, format cell, number, and then we don't need any, so now it's okay. And then select the data, insert column. See, actually, if we are doing it for the first time, you may need to go all chart types and then go to the XY scatter. You can select this, and then OK. But this is not what I want. Okay. But don't worry. Click that, and then right click, and then change series chart type, and then now select the bar, and not this one. Okay, select the column and click OK. So you got it. Okay. Now just make it better. We can do this. First of all, we don't need this, so right click, delete. Okay, and then we want to add the axis titles. Yeah, I leave this to you. You can find a way to do it. It's not very difficult to find a way. Okay.